Good morning, folks. So let's brief you guys up the condition of the stock market as per March 13th. All right. So today is 16th, but I'm gonna brief you guys up on the 13th on Fridays where we left off. Okay. So energy is still going on. We all know that the story is that Donald Trump decided to attack Kark Island, which is a very major hub of Iran's export. Okay, and as of now, the Dubai's international airport are being attacked by the Iran's drone. Okay, and I'm pretty sure oil is still gonna be high or pressured up until this end of the week. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at on day by day basis. Okay, so we'll talk about the stock market conditions as per Friday. Okay, energy is still getting the leads. However, one weird thing that I still don't get is that memory names are still quite strong. Okay, defensive. Okay, I'm pretty sure why it happened, but I don't know why storage and memory still holding up. As for the majority of the condition, most of the stocks are going down. We have a risk of rotation. One of the leaders are for the industries are energies. The stronger one is memory and storage. Broad tech is not really that clean. Okay, Triple Q, Nvidia, and TSM are still flat, right? And let's take a look. Let's take a look at the chart here. XOM, we're breaching out the support level here. We bounced off the support level. Now we are heading up to the resistance. Probably we are gonna be seeing resistance at 160-ish. So if we breach that number 160, I'm pretty sure oils and the war is still going on. All right, and memory, MU. Okay, Micron Semiconductors. It had a pretty good discount. We are looking from the top at 446. And currently at the lowest price is at 357, 359. That's a pretty big dip. And now it bounced back up to 426. Okay. So yeah, I mean, hopefully it's going to be stronger and stronger. Yeah. The trend is still keep on going up. So Walmart had a pretty good discount as well. We are looking at 133.94 and currently sitting at 126. At the lowest point at the resistance support is at 121.65. So yeah, seems like a pretty good bounce. Hopefully we can have a profit around 131, something like that. Hopefully. ConocoPhillips, just be careful on this one. I'm seeing a stronger resistance. I think it's gonna break the resistance level, pass through here. But it's pretty high from the trend. Okay, so just be careful on ConocoPhillips. So yeah, Western Digital, as we all know, the trend is pretty strong over here. And as per the technology companies, we are looking at the discount at the highest is probably around 314. Oh wow, that's pretty strong. And the lowest one is at 237-ish, something like that, and now it bounced back up to 272. So it's quite pretty strong bounce. So yeah, hopefully we can see the trend line about 293, something like that, 295. Okay, SanDisk, one of the strongest chart that we can see on the semiconductors. So at the top we are looking at 680-ish, 688, and currently sitting at 661, and at the lowest at 520. Oh wow, that's pretty bad dip. But yeah, I mean, I think it has a stronger demand. So yeah. And utilities, we are still looking at a defensive here, pretty high. We are looking at 46. Yeah, and we'll see if it hits the resistance at 40. Hang on. You guys have to be careful about 47. So I don't think it's worth the chase for now. If it passed through that 47 and holding up, I'm gonna chase. Triple Q, the longest ranging moment that I ever seen. It has been going up back and forth for like what, 6 months now. Sheesh. Yep, from the October 25 to March, and it's still going down. So yeah, just be careful with Triple Q for now. And TSM's trend is still going up. Honestly speaking, I love the companies and I love the stock. Currently at the highs at 389 and sitting at 338. So well, hopefully we'll see 364 soon. Okay, and that's pretty much it, folks. I'll see you guys around and have a great trading weeks.